Hi, Steve Bowman, founder, InnoSoft Tech. Welcome to the InnoSoft Tech blog. Today, we're going to talk about a new topic, which is how can you supercharge your coding? Three ways that you can supercharge your coding with AI. How can you leverage AI to make your coding better? Top three ways. If that sounds like something you'd be interested, there's more details in the blog below. Keep reading. But for now, let's talk about the three ways, starting with number one, which is automating repetitive tasks. So, what do I mean by that? Well, anybody who's written any amount of code can tell you that there's a lot of repetitive stuff in code that we might be able to use from before or a different project, and maybe not. Things like rule automations or auditing, logging, that kind of stuff. AI excels in this area. We can say, hey, build me a function to do X or build me a function to do Y. This is really beneficial. It can save a lot of time on the monotonous stuff. That's a good example. Number two, you can use AI to enhance code quality and reduce bugs, bug fixing, and the amount of time it takes you to fix bugs, right? Let's face it, software is made by humans. Humans are fallible. Even AI is fallible, right? It's only as good as the instructions that we give it. But in this case, what we're talking about is that AI can look at your code and actually recognize patterns. It can refactor, it can tell you more efficient ways to do things than the way that you've actually coded it. And this goes a long way. Anybody who's a developer out there, I'll just say GitHub Copilot. And what that means is there's AI that can actually fix your code. And actually, there's also tools built into the software platforms that we use that make suggestions on what we should do next. If you're not using a tool like this, you have to, and you have to start right away. But for those of you who don't know about it, if you're talking to a developer, ask them if they're using AI for bug fixes, for reduced bugs in their code by looking for patterns. Ask them if they're using GitHub Copilot. Number three, finally, software testing. AI is really good at testing software and breaking it and thinking about things and repetitive tasks that humans don't. Highly recommend it. All you have to do is do a quick Google search and you find all the information that you're looking for on platforms that can help you there. And that's it. That's all we've got for this section. If this resonated with you, keep reading. There's more details in the blog below. Thank you. Talk soon.